Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm gonna help you to resolve the issue of please try again later in Cash App. So how do you fix it? First of all you can do is open your Google Play Store or App Store on your phone, and then you can search for Cash App and make sure that your Cash App is updated to the latest version. If it's not updated, it may cause some issues. Number 2, you can also open a web browser on your phone and type status.cash.app on your URL section, and a new page will open. On this page you will see that if the Cash App servers are working fine or not. If the Cash App servers are down, it means that's why your problem is not resolving. Once the servers are back online, you can try again and your problem will be fixed. Number 3, if your Cash App is giving you errors, all you can do is download a VPN from your App Store or Google Play Store. For example, I have downloaded Melon VPN. You can tap on VPN and make sure to connect to any server that is situated or located in the United States. Don't select any other country other than United States. Once you are connected to a VPN, then check your Cash App again and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can fix the error try again later in Cash App. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.